Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can update trolls theme on Facebook Messenger. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store. So once you open Play Store, you simply need to search for the Messenger. Then you need to update your Messenger application. So once you done that, you simply need to go back and you simply need to open Facebook Messenger. So once you open Facebook Messenger, you simply need to select any conversation. Once you select it, you simply need to click on this icon on the top right. Once you are here, you simply need to click on theme, and on the top you can see trolls theme. You simply need to select that, and from here you need to select, and now trolls theme is activated. Here you can see. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.